Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to disconnect phone which is paired via Bluetooth, and then let me show you how to reconnect it again. So all you need to do right now is go to your phone app, as you can see right here. Then from the phone app, let's choose here this button with the Bluetooth icon. Then from the following list, use these three dots. Under three dots, you've got the disconnect option. Let me tap it, the first option, and right now you just disconnect your phone from your car. If you would like to connect it again, you have to tap it here, and the car is connecting one more time. Here we've got the process bar, the process animation. Let's wait a few seconds, and connection failed. But let me tap it again. Sometimes it might happen. Tap here, and now it's connected. If you see this blue icon right here, it means that this is the connection is successful. You can disconnect it again if you would like to. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.